Welcome to YorkZucchi.com Insight. I wanted to share with you something I've learned supporting entrepreneurs in over 83 countries. And this is what I've learned around why entrepreneurs fail. And it's usually around three basic reasons. The first one is that most people don't know what you as an entrepreneur actually do. What do you solve? We live in an age where we're trying to sound important. We put fancy titles around the CEO, founder, co-founder, chief architect, or in my case, chief coffee drinker. And that's all very cute and from an ego perspective, awesome, but it doesn't help potential clients understand what you solve. And if they don't understand what you solve, they're not going to call you to do business with you. The second reason most entrepreneurs fail is that their fixed cost base is just too high. Think about in your own circumstances. If you were renting a beautiful office, you have a couple of staff working for you, but revenue less, you have a few less clients next month, revenue goes down a little bit, you can't cut the staff as quickly as you wish or the office rent as quickly as you'd like. So you're stuck with this very high fixed overheads. This is a reason why you find co-working spaces popping up, or one of the many reasons why co-working spaces are growing popular, because it allows you, the entrepreneur, to rent the cubicle that you need and expand for the months where there is more demand. And then when there's less demand for your services, you retract the office space that you need. Learn to love variable cost, learn to keep fixed cost as low as humanly possible. The third reason, and this may sound somewhat counterintuitive, why entrepreneurs fail, is that you and me, we're sometimes a little bit too ambitious. We're trying to grow too quickly. Now, there's nothing wrong with wanting to become a global business. We're becoming the next Elon Musk. But the reality is if you grow too quickly, you're not going to cope. Your processes, your systems, how you set up your infrastructure, who you hire, what partnership, how you design your software services is not going to be able to keep up with demand. And I guarantee you, it'll put strain on you personally, on you on a psychological level, and certainly on the resources. I hope those three lessons help you in your journey. Happy entrepreneurial.